Welcome back, everyone. Today is week 2 of the 4 weeks of fall with At Home with Zane Fall Fallbacks. And today I'm going to share with you a video from 2016. It was a fall DIY where I created some mum balls. I called them little mumkins, and they were little mum flower balls with items from the Dollar Tree. It was a really cute DIY. It went over very well. I still have them. It was a lot of fun and very inexpensive to do. So let's take a look. Hey YouTube, it's Zane here from At Home with Zane, and today's going to be another quick DIY on how to create these beautiful mum flower balls. So in my fall decor, I wanted to use these flower balls, and I looked at purchasing some of them new, and they were relatively expensive to buy them in, even a 3-pack. So I went to the dollar store and I bought a package of these smaller, they're not the smallest styrofoam balls they have, but they're the medium-sized styrofoam balls. And then I bought some Pretty Mum artificial flowers, and I have these beautiful little cream-colored ramekins, and they have really pretty detail work around the bottom of them. So I'm just simply putting them in the top of my ramekin, and I'm setting them in some of my display cabinets, and they almost look like a little topiary type flower arrangement inside of a little pot. So they turn out really pretty when they're finished, and they're really simple to do. So the first thing you want to do is get a package of your styrofoam balls from the dollar store. And then I bought a few different varieties of the artificial mums. And then they had this flower, and it was called a flower globe. And so it's not really a mum, but it has a mum look to it. And so in order to make some more of my little mumkins, then I'm going to use these. So it's really easy. Each one of these balls took 3 stems, so bushels of flowers. So what I'm going to do is I've already pulled the tops off, and it's kind of noisy, I apologize, but you're just going to simply push them into your styrofoam ball. And if you were using 2 different colors, you would most likely need to create some sort of a pattern. But since we're doing all one color here, I'm just going to start pushing them in there and filling them in as necessary. Now, if you want to get the same look and the same fullness as the ones that I've done here, like I said, you want to get about 3 different bushels of whatever flower you're choosing. I chose mums. They're going to go with my fall decor. And you want to get the medium-sized styrofoam balls. And so then you just start placing them in wherever it looks like you have a bare spot. 3 bushels seem to be just enough. And then if you have a few little extras left over and you see a spot that you need to fill in, then you can certainly do that. But for now, we're just going to continue on with this process and then flip it over. These go relatively quickly, and they look really pretty whenever they're done. And so I'm looking forward to putting them in my display cabinet. You can also hang these. They are considered like a kissing ball. So if you wanted to hang them, you would want to start off by adding string to your styrofoam ball before you start applying your flowers. And then that's going to allow you to hang it whenever you're done. And so here it is, voila, we are all finished. We have this beautiful little topiary sort of mum ball there, and that's going to go in one of my display cabinets. And so it's just that simple. You can add hot glue to it if you need to, but they fit pretty securely in there, and so I didn't really feel the need to add the hot glue, but you certainly could if you wanted to. And then display them wherever you want. You could display them in a large hurricane, you could display them on shelves. They're really versatile, and they're very, very pretty and really inexpensive and simple to do. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave your comments below. Remember to like this video, thumbs up if you like it. You can visit my website, www.athomewithzane.com. Thank you so much for watching. We'll look for you the next time. And remember, it's your home. Create a space you'll truly love. So I hope you all enjoyed this video and this fun little throwback. I'm going to include a link in my video description to all my social media sites, my Instagram, my Pinterest, my Facebook. The online At Home with Zane store is on there. I need to remind everyone also that between now and the end of the month, it's 25% off of your entire purchase when you purchase anything from our fall collection. So go over and check out the At Home with Zane store and get your fall decor while it's 25% off. Whether you use it this year or next year, take advantage of that sale. So next week, I will share with you another fall fallback in the 4 weeks of fall with At Home with Zane. So thank you all so much for watching, and we'll look for you the next time.